Hello everyone, this is Sam from Dotec Studios. In this basic tutorial, I want to show you how you could create some simple flowers like that. First, go to File menu and New, or press Ctrl or Command N. I choose 1500 by 1500 for width and height. Better to set 300 for resolution DPI. And color mode RGB. Create. Display rulers. If you don't see rulers, go to View menu and enable rulers, or press Ctrl or Command R. Now click and drag vertical line to snap in middle of your document. If it does not snap, make sure your snap is enabled. Go to View menu and snap. Also one for horizontal. So this is center of our document. Enable shape tool and pick ellipse tool. You could create a circle first. Hold on the Alt and Shift together and draw a circle. Something like that. You could change the color. From Properties panel, click and choose any color you like. I want to duplicate this shape, so click and drag to duplicate a layer. Hold on the Shift key and drag up. Now press Ctrl or Command T, or go to Edit menu, Free Transform, and drag it up. Maybe a bit even down. Enter to confirm. Enable pen tool. Click on pen or press P from your keyboard. Hold on the Alt or Option key and click on the top side. Alright. And you could even edit the sides. Hold on the Control or Command key and drag to select them, and Control or Command T. And I could make it narrower while I hold it down Alt. Also, you could make here narrow. Control or Command and make it thinner. Alright. When you are happy, now let's add some shading. If you press Control or Command Enter, or hold on the Control key and click on the layer thumbnail, you could select it based on pixel information. Enable rectangular marquee tool. Hold on the Alt or Option key and select left side to remove from selection. I create a new layer. You could choose a white color or lighter color, something like that. Okay. Note that I set the color for the foreground color. If I press Alt or Option Delete or Backspace, I could fill with the color, or right click on selection area and select fill with foreground color. Okay. And merge down these layers together. Select one of the layers, hold on the Shift key and click any empty area for second layer. Go to Layer menu and merge layers. Now it's time to clone it. Hold on the Control, Alt or Command Option on Mac and press T. Grab the anchor point and bring it here, middle of the document. Hold on the Shift key and start rotating. You could rotate somewhere like 30 or 45 or 60, depends on you. Maybe 45. Enter to confirm. Now to repeat that automatically, hold on the Shift Control Alt or Shift Command Option on Mac and press T. So Shift Control Alt or Shift Command Option and T, 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 and T. Alright. We made it. You could even apply any style you like to them. For example, I could double click any empty area of the layer to bring layer options, or while your layer is selected, in the layer panel bottom side click on FX and you could choose blending options or any other options here. For example, I could enable inner shadow, you see, to set shadow, and bevel and emboss or anything you like. Okay, I could apply these style to other layers. Hold on the Alt or Option key and drag effects on any layer you like. So Alt or Option and drag, or you could simply drag on the layer directly. Okay. Now I want to merge them together. So select top layer, scroll down, hold on the Shift key and click on other layer. Go to layer menu and merge layers. Now I could duplicate the layer, drag it to duplicate, or go to layer menu, duplicate layer. Okay, press Ctrl or Command T, hold on the Shift key and rotate. Here we don't have correct angle, so I have to release the Shift key and drag it, something like that. If I hold on the Alt Shift or Option Shift on Mac and start resizing, I could make it smaller, enter to confirm. You could change the color here simply. Go to Image, Adjustment, and Hue, Saturation, or press Ctrl or Command U. And start changing the color, maybe a bit brighter. Okay, I drag this circle to the top. Maybe it is too large, so press Ctrl or Command T, Alt Shift or Option Shift on Mac and make it smaller, something like that. I could give depth to that with the style, so double click any empty area of this circle layer. You could use bevel and emboss, maybe something like that. Also, you could enable inner shadow and move shadow any place you like. Okay, and it is finished. Still, you could do some more process. For example, I hold on Shift key and select other layers. Press Ctrl or Command E or go to layer again, merge layers, and right click on the layer and convert it to Smart Object. To preserve informations, go to Filter, Distort, and Twirl. Allow me to zoom out. You see, you could simply rotate and give more variation to your flower. And okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.